The therapy garden is located at the Hamilton General Hospital and is a space designed for patient healing and staff wellness. Built in 2017, the garden thrived for several years, but during COVID, it became neglected and overgrown. Now, a dedicated group is working to revitalize the garden to make it a more functional and therapeutic space for patients and staff. Today, the garden is used by staff and patients as an extension of our patients' therapy goals. The garden thrives with the help of our hospital volunteers, staff, and patients who weed and tend the garden regularly. Through generous funding and continued support, we are working to improve our irrigation system and widen garden pathways. With this generous support, it has allowed us to purchase garden tools, fertilizers, and supplies.